gentlemen, and welcome back to another Peter Lennox Automotive Car of the Week. And today we've got something a little bit classic for you. This stunning red 1994 280E W124, now a classic, is now available, and it is in pristine condition, A1 mechanically and cosmetically. Beautiful car and very sporty in that red finish. Now this one's got beige leather interior, and the wood inside it, Zebrano, is basically, it looks like it's been restored, but it is actually original. Very well kept. This car must have spent 0 hours in the sun because the condition of the interior is stunning, and we'll have a look at that in a bit of detail now. Now this car's done just 78,000 kilometers, just a bit over 78,000, which is very low mileage, and that's what makes it extra unique. And for only $29.90 drive away, what more could you want? This car was worth over 120k in 1994, which is probably the equivalent of 300,000 now. Really is an amazing car, drives beautifully, 2.8 litre, very powerful, 140 kilowatts and 270 newton-meters of torque. All right, so enough talking, let's have a look at the condition of this car. I know the guys who are looking for this car, or girls, you're more interested in the condition, being a classic. You already know what this car is all about. But we'll just have a quick look. It does have a leather steering wheel, gear knob. It is the airbag model, the last of. Tilt and slide sunroof, and these alloy wheels with cruise control. So let's have a look. As you can see, the wheels still in good condition, very unique pattern on there. Let's have a look at the condition of the body, the front bumper, the lights. I'll try and give you a good example, especially for our interstate buyers. The last car, the last one we had classic like this was sold to Tassie after the customer inspected it online. So we know you like to see the condition. Give you a real close-up of the bumpers, the fenders, the bonnet itself, and as you can see, this car is a really nice car. Really not many dents or dents or scratches on it at all. Windscreen itself is very good, and the sills, these often perish. Now this car is actually in very good condition in that regard. As we walk down the side, again, very nice. And just wait for the interior. The interior on this car is probably one of the best features. Let's have a look at the rear. You can even see there is no sun damage. It's very nice. The roof itself. Now these are very quickly becoming classics. This particular one, the 280 E or E280, is the only one in the market currently with under 100,000 kilometers on it. So while you can get others on the market, this is the lowest mileage E280 at time of filming, which is again very nice. And a car like this really is ready for your Cars and Coffee, your Mercedes-Benz club meet. You don't have to spend a lot of money on it after you buy it. You can just enjoy it, take it to the car cruises. It's been checked by us. There's probably the original dealership, Geelong City Motors, so that sticker's still there. But yeah, it has been checked by us, so it is mechanically A1 and cosmetically, as you can see, in very good condition. Let's have a look at the rear wheel on the passenger side, which always cops a lot of abuse, and it is basically as new. Let's have a look at the rear on the interior. Now as you can see, the rear doors, the wood in the Zebrano is very good condition, and it is powered rear mirror, rear door window, sorry. As you can see, the seats and the interior is in as new condition. Look at that, even the carpet itself. Wow, this is really plush, really clean. It's like new basically. Let's have a look on the passenger side. Okay, I'll show you the door, the armrest again. Look at that leather. There's really no wear and tear, even the wood itself. Now we've been made aware that this is actually the original wood, so although you can restore the wood, this car has original wood, so it just shows that it really did stay indoors undercover most of the time. And there's a quick view of the passenger side seat, and this looks better than some of the new cars we see. It's really, really good. Look at that wood. Wow, Zebrano, very classic, very, very nice. All right, let's jump in on the driver's side, start it up, see what it's like. So there we are, let's jump inside. Plenty of space, being an E-Class, or the early E-Classes. Okay, let's have a look. Give you a bit of a bird's or driver's eye view, so should I say, of just how nice this interior is, as you can see. And even this little nice feature here. So if I open and close the door, the seatbelt sign flashes, much like on an aeroplane. So that's pretty nice, pretty neat. And let's have a look at that interior again. Very, very nice. As new. Big steering wheel, very classy. 78,923 kilometers, so very low mileage. As I get in this car, you can see, so very low mileage and really in good condition. Let's start it up. Okay, so key in the ignition, which is right there. And there you go, the car starts right up. Put the fan down, everything works. As you can see, it starts really nicely, really smoothly. For a 1994 car, that is really remarkable. And you know, it just shows how well the car was kept and how well our mechanics have serviced it, ready for your purchase. So in terms of features, it does have a temperature display, it does have a cruise control, tempomat as they call it. Does have the climate control for here. I guess you can set the temperature roughly on this vent, and like so on the here. Control various features, as you can see here. You've got the radio, and it does have powered windows, and even powered mirrors on both passenger and driver using this knob here. Otherwise, the condition of the armrest, again, very good. It's almost like it's been refurbished, but as far as we know, no, it hasn't. It's all original. So all original on the interior. So very, very nice. Storage box here. Yes, very original, ready for you to enjoy on your next drive into the country or the Mercedes-Benz Club. Alright, let's have a look at it on the outside just one more time and we'll finish up. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This stunning E280 W124 1994 in red is now available at Peter Lennox Automotive here in Thomastown. We can sell this car Australia-wide, so give us a call wherever you are, and it really is something special. The lowest mileage E280 on the market from the 124 model, in basically as new condition throughout, mechanically and aesthetically. It doesn't really get much better than this. A bargain at $29.90 drive away. Thank you for watching.